Hey everyone! So I realized I didn't tell you how to insert photos in a very easy way. So the way you can do that is so I've opened up my scientist journal. I've added my name here, and now I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and you can do Search the Web. So I'm a scientist and I'm also a teacher, right? So I can look up a photo of a teacher that I like. Um, there aren't a lot of great photos of a teacher. Let's use, fine, this works, right? Unable to create some images. Hello, dismiss. Let's try this one. There we go. So I'm a scientist and I'm also a teacher. And I can also add a text box and use the word teacher. And maybe, I think that this font is a little bit boring, so I'm going to use this font. But it's hard to read it, so I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm also going to make it yellow. So I'm a scientist and I'm also a teacher. We don't actually need this, so we can delete that. I'm a scientist and I'm also a gardener. Gardener. Let's see. Are there any photos of gardens that I like? Ooh, I actually have flowers that look, oh, look at this one. There are people gardening with other people. I like that one better. So I'm gonna use this photo. So I'm a scientist. Is that First Lady Obama? Tools, add the text box. So I'm a scientist and I'm also a gardener. And I have a little garden where I share some food with my neighbors, with my postal worker. I've given her some pumpkins. Bold. You all know I have a cat, so I'm a cat scientist. I'm also a cat lover. So let's just do cat. Let's find a cute cat photo. This one's pretty cute, right? Was it Marissa who didn't like cats? Sorry, Marissa. So I'm a cat lover. Insert text box. Cat lover. And let's make this, let's make it like purple. I'm gonna use the same font. It's really hard to, you have to make this font big. So I also, volunteer with my community at a CSA. So I'm a scientist, I'm also a community member. So let's just find the word community. This one's good, right? Insert text box. Community member. And you all are community members too. So you could add that on there. Maybe I want to make this one, probably shouldn't make it. Let's make this one red. So I've finished my scientist cover, and then now you're going to press submit. I don't have that option to do that, but press submit up at the top and you'll be done with your assignment. Great. Enjoy.